Alright, so I'm here with the Shark Rotator Freestyle Pro. I think that's what it's called. So I got this off of QVC for $108 in the teal. And honestly, I really like it. It's a good vacuum. So I'm going to show you that the filter is pretty clean. See, don't worry about the yellow spots, but otherwise, the filter's clean for the most part. And then the bin is empty. So I'm going to talk about it a little bit while I get some mess down here. So I've had this vacuum for a little while. I really do like it. It's worked great for me. I'm sorry, give me a second to find something. Okay, so I've had it for a little while. It's worked great for me and in my house, and I'm sure it will for you. And I do recommend it because it's budget friendly. It's not super expensive, so that's why I like it. Red, go. Give me a moment. I'm sorry. I apologize. Red, come here. Red, come here. I'm sorry, I have to put her up for this. So we just got some graham crackers here. There are some large pieces as well as some small pieces. And I'll get the camera here to show you. Large and small. That's the vacuum. Looks nice, bin's empty. It's a little dirty, but it's clean. Okay. So in this vacuum, there are two modes. There is high for carpet and low for bare floor. This is high, and this is low. I'm going to be using it on low. It's relatively quiet, but my Dyson V8 is quieter. All right, so on bare floor mode, we're gonna try to pick all this stuff up. It also has an area in the front for larger particles right there in the middle. So we're gonna see if that helps with these larger pieces. Extremely well. It handled it extremely well. Actually, there's one more piece. Okay. Shake test. Nothing. Okay, so all of the stuff is down here. Picked it all up. Filter looks fine. And you can see it had no problem sucking up those larger pieces. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the the same spot where I did that Dyson V8 video with the fluffy head and the motor head and the Cheez-Its. This is the spot where I did that. So wanted to film it in this spot here because, you know, memories, bringing it back. All right, so let me know what you think about this shark. I like it. I'll probably post a video on it cleaning my entire house. There's no hose or anything. It's just for your floors, but it does a really good job. And the brush roll, they're actually soft. They're actually pretty soft. Like, I don't know why, come on. Like, I can put my hand here and it won't hurt it. But normally I would think that that's not deep cleaning your carpets, but it actually cleans extremely well on carpets. I used this and then went over it with a Bissell. It's not great vacuum. Well, I'm sorry. Excuse me. That Bissell isn't a great vacuum, but it's an upright with a cord. This one is cordless, which I like. But the Bissell only got up just a little bit more. So you can, honestly, I think you could rely on this as a great stick vac in your home, but I wouldn't use it as your main upright. If you have a small apartment, probably. But in a big home, you know, it's a good it's a good stick vac, but not a fantastic upright. So, I hope that you enjoyed this. I certainly did, because this vacuum does an amazing job at cleaning. Wait, some stuff in the brush hole. So, yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it, because I did. Give this video a like. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because why not? I'm starting to post. Jeez, that was long. I'm starting to post a lot more than I used to, because before my camera was broken. Now it's fixed. And it's a good camera too. It's not bad. iPhone X camera, that's what I'm referring to. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and you'll see this Shark Rotator Freestyle Pro very soon. Alright, goodbye. Thank you.